One thing I always have on standby in the freezer is naan. They are fantastic as is, just with a little bit of butter. Great to serve with curries and also to serve with dips. But I actually like to use these flatbreads for quick sandwiches on the go. So I'm going to place my naan bread onto a tray, sprinkle with a splash of water, and then these take only 2 to 3 minutes in the oven to warm up. So I've preheated my oven to 200 and we'll just warm it up very quickly. While they're warming through, I'm just going to slice some tomato and buffalo mozzarella to fill the sandwich. Lovely warm naan straight out of the oven. And now to fill this, I'm going to make it look like a piadina, that classic Italian style sandwich. So we'll turn over our gorgeous naan. We're going to add some mozzarella, so we just lay it on one side. Some extra cheese, why not? Some provolone, some tomatoes. I've just added some salt and pepper and some fresh basil just on the top there. And I love my piadina with some prosciutto. And then we're just going to close our naan. And that right there is a delectable sandwich. So if you don't have any bread in the house and you're wanting a sandwich, well, have a little bit of naan on standby in the freezer. You can make this sandwich in no time.